Our top story tonight, new numbers show an increase in emergency room visits for overdoses in 2022. WFXR's Rian Lowndes breaks down that data and what needs to happen to get those numbers down as we start the new year.
2022 saw a rise in overdoses that have been getting worse and worse in recent years.
I think a lot of our increase is people losing stable housing.
They don't have a job, they don't have a home, they're much more likely to develop substance use disorder.
We have seen some of our clients, we have one that was housing insecure for 7.5 years, recently gained housing. Substance use was cut down drastically, decreased. Making appointments on time, following through was nothing we'd ever seen because everything is not in a book bag or in 2 or 3 Kroger bags that you're carrying around. Your life is not on your back.
The data showing opioids are the big problem, from heroin to newer substances like fentanyl and xylazine. From year to year, Roanoke didn't see a higher monthly average in overdose-related emergency visits, but the spikes this past year were much higher. It reached a peak in July of 95 overdoses in a month. Lynchburg, where numbers are much lower, did see their average rise in 2022, and rates peaked similarly during those summer months. It's something Lisa Vi with the nonprofit Drop-In Center says can be partially attributed to warmer weather, when people are no longer spending their nights in shelters and are overdosing outdoors where they're not seen.
So what I would like to see is more community partners, more churches, more restaurants, more gas stations have employees Narcan trained.
If you or someone you know may be struggling with addiction, Vi and Danny Clausen with the Harm Reduction Coalition say their organizations can help, offering testing and treatment while trying to eliminate the stigma around addiction. In Roanoke, Rian Lowndes, WFXR News.
Compared to the rest of the Commonwealth, Southwest and Central Virginia have both seen the worst overdose numbers since 2020. You can find that data and more on the more recent years on our website, WFXRTV.com.